If you hold crypto and you've only ever done one thing with it, buy, wait, hope, there's a whole tool sitting right next to you that you were never taught to use. Perpetuals, perps, the most traded product in all of crypto, and most people who trade them can't actually explain how they work. So let me fix that, in plain human terms. By the end of this, you'll understand perps better than half the people already trading them. No hype, no get rich, just how the machine works and exactly where it can hurt you. 4 moving parts, and the fourth one is the piece nobody explains, the one that quietly costs you money while you sleep. Let's start with the simplest version. When you buy Bitcoin, you own Bitcoin. When you trade a perpetual, you own nothing. You're trading the price direction. That's it. If you think the price goes up, you go long. If you think it goes down, you go short. You're not buying the asset, you're trading which way it moves. Now the word in the name that matters, perpetual. It never expires. A normal futures contract has a settlement date, a day the clock runs out and you're forced to close. A perp has no clock. You're in until you decide to close, or until the market decides for you. Hold on to that second half. We come back to it because it's the one that ends most perp stories. Quick, important thing before we go deeper. For years, if you were in the US and wanted to trade perps, you got pushed onto some offshore platform, quietly hoping nothing went wrong. That's changed. Full transparency before I go further, Kalshi is a partner of this channel, and the link below is an affiliate link. I earn from it. Doesn't change what I'm about to tell you, including the risky parts. Kalshi is the first CFTC-regulated US exchange to offer perpetuals onshore under federal oversight, with the legal protections a regulated venue gives you. That's the one I'll be showing you here. New users who sign up with my affiliate link and trade $50 get a bonus, links in the description. Now back to how the thing actually works, because I want you using it with your eyes open. Here's a question that should bother you. If a perp never expires, what keeps its price glued to the real Bitcoin price? Nothing forces them to match. The answer is a quiet little mechanism called the funding rate. Part 4, the one nobody warns you about. Every few hours, one side pays the other a small fee. When too many people are long, longs pay shorts. When too many are short, shorts pay longs. It's a gentle tax that pulls the perp back toward the real price and keeps it honest. You don't have to love it, you just have to know it's there, quietly charging you the whole time you hold. Then there's the part everyone actually shows up for, leverage. Here's the honest picture. Leverage lets you control a bigger position than the cash you put down. Put in $100, control 1,000. That's 10 times leverage. Sounds like magic. It's not. It amplifies your win when you're right, and it amplifies your loss just as hard when you're wrong. Same tool, both directions. 10 times leverage doesn't make you 10 times smarter. It makes you 10 times faster in whichever direction you're already going. Picture 2 traders, same coin, same call. One uses 2 times, one uses 50 times. The market dips 2%. The first one barely feels it. The second one is already gone. Same idea, same day. Different amount of respect for the tool. Which brings us to the word that ends the story, liquidation. When the market moves against your position far enough, the exchange closes it for you at a loss to protect the money you borrowed. Gone. And the higher your leverage, the closer that liquidation line sits to the current price, the less room the market has to breathe before it wipes you out. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you because it's the single thing that decides whether you last. Low leverage, more room, high leverage, one bad candle. So let me say the honest part out loud. A perp is not a money button. It's a precision tool. Brilliant if you respect it, brutal if you don't. Anyone selling you guaranteed anything with leverage is just selling you the fast version of losing. And this is exactly why I brought up Kalshi earlier. After everything we just covered, leverage, that liquidation line, here's what I actually like about it. It doesn't hide the risk. It shows your position healthy, at risk, high risk right there on the screen. So the liquidation line we talked about isn't a surprise that hits you out of nowhere. It's a number you can watch. That's the difference between a regulated venue that wants you to last and a gray zone app that doesn't care. If you didn't grab it earlier, just sign up with my affiliate link and trade $50 to get a bonus. Links in the description and in my bio. So that's perps, honestly. You trade direction, not the asset. It never expires, so funding quietly keeps it in line. Leverage cuts both ways and liquidation is always watching. Learn it on a regulated exchange, keep your leverage humble. Watch the risk indicator, not just your profit and loss. Trade only what you're ready to lose, and let me know how your first one goes.